smells so nice. It smells so yummy. Yummy. Oh, hello there. Welcome to Cherry Pop Productions. My name is Sophie. How are you doing today? I hope you have a very fabulous day. I was just watching some videos and I saw this video here. Look. Isn't that awesome? It's a rainbow grilled cheese sandwich. Yummy. Let's try to make one. Let's make ourselves a rainbow grilled cheese sandwich. Yummy. Before we get started, let's put on our apron first. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Okay, next, let's prepare our cheese. It needs to be rainbow color. Do you know the color of the rainbow? Just remember Roy G. Biff. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. But instead of indigo and violet, we're just gonna do purple. Here's our cheese. Let's divide this cheese into 6 separate balls. Make sure your hands are clean. Mine is clean. Okay? Ta-da! I'm done! I'm gonna wash my hands again. Okay, now let's put the food coloring. We're done coloring the cheese. It's so pretty, look. We have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. I think the best looking one is the orange and the yellow. Okay, now for the hard part, putting this cheese on the bread. And here's our bread. It's nice and thick. Okay, now it's time to put the cheese on the bread. This is the hard part. Well, here it goes. Wish me luck. Ow. Now for yellow. Now for the last color, purple. And it's done, look at it. Wow! I think this is gonna be delicious. Delicious. Now it's time to grill it. But first, let's put butter on top. We've put the butter. Now it's time to grill it. Where's the cooker? Wow, here it is. But I'm too small to grill it. I'm only 9. I should ask my mom for help. Mommy! Help me please. Now it's grilling. Smells so nice. It smells so yummy. Now it's time to cut it. Now let's see how it looks like. Wow! Wow! I can't wait to taste this. Let's give it a try. Yummy. So good. So delicious. Oh my goodness, this is the best grilled cheese I ever had. Yummy. Look at this cheese. So delicious. Well, this rainbow grilled cheese is a success. It's so delicious and pretty. Look at the colors. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Smash the like button if you like this video. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button below. And thanks for watching. Bye. I'm gonna finish this rainbow grilled cheese sandwich. It's very delicious.